We better hurry up. They're saying there's fresh brisket on the board. As you can tell, we're at Buc-ee's. There's Beavers on everything. They've got a ton of jerky. They got this much jerky. They got this much sweets. They got this much sweets too. They got key lime pie cup and a coconut pie cup, but I looked up the ingredients. That's not something that I generally eat. It's all quite vibrantly colored for what I'm used to eating. But they had an apple pie over here that I think I might get. Let's go look at their... Looks like they've got a whole thing of meats. Chicken stuffed with crawfish jambalaya. Pork tenderloin, $22.90. Chicken stuffed with dirty rice is $17 for a chicken. That's not bad. We've got their
it's a slow day.
jerky. Lots of jerky. Let's go see about the brisket. Isn't that why everybody comes?
No.
It's fudge. Not much of a fudge fan. They got burritos though. They even got a veggie burrito. They got these chips, house-made chips. They look delicious. More desserts. What would a Buc-ee's be without a beaver tail? Here's the... Oh my gosh, it went so quick. They already got it up. That's the fresh brisket on the board. And everybody's already ordered it. It smells good. But we stopped at Arby's like dummies before coming. Oh man, back there cutting up the beef.
The transition or?
And you can buy it by the pound. There's the prices. This is the Texas. Looks pretty good. They've got nuts. Nuts are like $5. And then they've got tons of homey little... Look at that little pig. It's so cute. Pig with glasses. Lots of pigs and chickens. Probably lots of live, love, laugh, love signs around here. I bet we could find one if we actually looked for one. These are nice. I mean, if you need to buy a gift for someone, this is the way to do it. The man's here's got a cart. It's like a little grocery store. They got their own in-house freezer bars. A little Beaver phone holder. It's close to Valentine's Day, so we've got some limited edition Valentine's Day stuff. It's pretty busy in here. But homeboy over there said that this is a slow day for them. So we are in Tennessee. And then, of course, they've got just regular convenience store items over here. They got dried fruit, trail mix. Everything that convenience stores would have. Tons of hot sauce. Hot sauce and jars of jam. They make just about everything here. More hot sauce. Balsamic onion jam. That's like my favorite. Alright, let's go check out the bathrooms. Look, they even got carts, y'all. Before we check out the restrooms, though, I want to show you real quick how many gas stations they have here. That was one thing they said, is that we've got the most gas. This doesn't really show you how much. I have to walk out there. It's huge. But yeah, let's go check out the bathrooms. They're world famous, it says. World famous bathrooms.
Came in, like the 5-footer. I want now.
Smells good in here. There's art on the wall. Let's scoot it back a little bit. These are ladies' restrooms. Nice. So yeah, look at all these places to get gas. It goes all the way down there. Tons of places to get gas. Not really anywhere for you to walk your dog, though. We have our dog with us. And I'm not sure where Drew is, but I think he probably went somewhere to walk the dog, and this is pretty much just a paved paradise. We're in the Cookeville Buc-ee's. Bu-Cees. You can have your picture taken with this little guy. Let's see if Drew came in. Oh, there he is. Buc-ee's got some good jobs. $125K a year for assistant general manager. Pretty good. Paid weekly. Oh, maybe that's $18 an hour for the cashier. The car wash is $21 an hour. I might give me a job here. Shoot. 401K, 3 weeks paid time off. This is a better job than Drew has. $2 an hour for overnight. Get you a job here at Buc-ee's. If you got a dog, this is like the only place there is to potty. Let's see. Come on, let's go potty up here. This is a small area of grass, and then you're surrounded by pavement as far as the eye can see. More pavement. We were actually going to stop at Love's because Love's said that they have a... He just wants to sniff. Freeze me out here. Come on, Bu-Cees. Love's said that they had a dog park. But we went past Love's because we wanted to check out Buc-ee. And we're here. Buc-ee is not dog friendly. Well, Bu-Cees likes it, but not as dog friendly as Love's, I believe. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know, have you ever been to Buc-ee's before? This is our first time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey guys, this is Drew here, chiming in on some of the things that Amanda left out. We want to point out that they do have a small dog area that has waste bags for your dog to do their business. There's Tesla charging stations, there's showers. Some of the locations have a car wash, and this is at the Cookeville location, but over in Sevierville, they're holding the world record for the world's largest convenience store. So check one of these out if you're ever in a spot to see one. It's better than a Love's. It's better than a Flying J, Travel Center, and all those other ones.